here's some help, a just-in-time video for the 3.03 Dichotomous Key Lab. We're going to do the lab today really quick, but instead of leaves, we're going to have 10 different types of candies. So the first thing you need to do is to look at this and decide on one characteristic that each item either is or is not. Think yes and no. So looking at this, the first thing that comes to my mind is chocolate. Every single one of these items is either chocolate or it is not chocolate. You can tell I've typed this in for you. Step 1, is the item chocolate? If it is, yes, go to step 2. If it is not, no, go to step we don't know yet. Now I need to think of the next category that all of these items either are or are not. You noticed I covered up the ones that we're not worried about right now. Looking at just the chocolate ones, we have these 4 items left. Next category I was thinking, is the item a bar? If they are a bar, go to step 3. However, we have now come down to the just one item that is made of chocolate but is not a bar, and that is M&Ms. So if the answer to 2 is no, it is not a bar, that item is M&Ms. What's our third category that we could use? I've now covered up the M&Ms. We are no longer worried about it. Next category, I thought of the option of, is the item only chocolate? The 3 things that we have left, that separates those 2 out. If the item is only chocolate, step A, 3A, then it is a Hershey's bar. If it is not, there's something in there besides chocolate, then we need to go to step 4. With only 2 items left, the category that I thought that could differentiate between these 2 is the color of the wrapper. So 4, is the item in a blue wrapper? If it is, yes, then the item is a Crunch bar. If it's not, we only have one option left, and it has to be a Kit Kat bar. We can now go back up and put in here on our 1B that if it is not chocolate, we have to go to step 5. And we would create down here step 5 and think about what we could differentiate between those remaining things that were non-chocolate. After we've got that done, we've got our dichotomous key complete.